energy and the vitality in your body even through those cold, dark winter days. And by keeping your internal temperature up, not only do you feel warmer, but you can ward off those wintertime blues and strengthen your immune system as well. Welcome to Reebok Life. I'm Samara, and to help you feel warmer, we have with us today Rima Saikia, a dedicated teacher of yoga from the Yoga Life Foundation. Now Rima, in the yogic philosophy, it is believed that all activities are influenced by the flow of the nadis, which are channels of pranic energy, and there are 72,000 of them. But the most important being the Ida, which originates on the left, the Pingla, which originates on the right, and the Shushumna, which runs through the center of the body. But can you explain how we can create warmth in the body by altering the flow of the nadis?
Well, the current that is flowing at a particular time can be gauged by the flow of breath in the nostrils. Very simply, if your left nostril is open, it means that your Ida is active and mental energy is more dominant. And if the right nostril is open, it means that the Pingala is active, which means that more vital energy is dominant, which makes you do a lot of physical work and also generates heat in the body.
Yeah, it's actually quite interesting. I was working on my laptop yesterday and I noticed that my left nostril was open, which corresponds with mental activity. And then later on in the day, while I was eating, I noticed that my right nostril was open, which is usually open when you're doing some sort of physical activity like digesting food, for example.
Exactly. And depending on what activity you want to do, you can alter the flow of the nadis. For winter, I would recommend Surya Vedi Pranayama because Surya is the sun, Vedi is to awaken, and here you're breathing from the right nostril, which is the Pingala, responsible for generating heat in the body. You sit cross-legged, hand in Vishnu Mudra, close your eyes, close your left nostril and inhale from the right nostril deeply and exhale from the left nostril. Close the left nostril, breathe again from the right nostril. Breathe out from the left nostril. Close the left nostril again, breathe in from the right nostril. So basically what we are doing here is breathing in from the right nostril, breathing out from the left nostril, again breathing in from the right nostril and breathing out from the left nostril.
Right, and if you're feeling cold, you can practice Surya Veda Pranayam off the mat anywhere. Do a little experiment, nobody's going to know what you're doing.
I would like to do a sequence here. We will start with Veerbhadra Asana. Stand with your feet apart. One foot pointing 90 degrees, the other at 45 degrees, and get into the warrior pose. And here we will take 3 inhalations and exhalations, deep ones. Move on to Parvatasana, the downward dog, and 6 of them. Move to the Cobra. 6 forceful inhalations and exhalations. Move to the mountain again. Now we will jump forward. Now breathe 6 times. Arch your back and get into Pranamasana.
You might want another tissue here. That was like modified Surya Namaskar.
Yes.
Of course, and there are many variations of it now, but the traditional Surya Namaskar is an excellent way to create warmth and energy within the body.
Instant heat.
Yeah, instant.
I would like to show you the Agnisar Kriya. Please perform it on an empty stomach always, and if you practice this regularly, you won't even need any thermals in the coldest places. Yeah. Let's come on our feet. Feet apart slightly. Bend your knees,
Rest your arms on your knees. Lean a little forward. Now you inhale deeply and exhale deeply from the mouth. Then you will close your mouth, retain your breath and pump your stomach, only your stomach, in and out. Okay? Inhale. Very nice. Let's go one more time. Come. This is good for digestive problems as well, isn't it? Yeah. Well, I mean, even if you do manage to create that warmth in your body, what you have to remember is that we naturally have less energy to burn during the winter. It's a time for storing and conserving energy in the way that a bear retains fat by hibernating or a farmer stores food for the cold months ahead. So bundle up, eat warm cooked meals, spice things up with ginger, black pepper, clove, tulsi for their warming effect, and find more quiet and modest ways of spending the holidays away from overeating and overspending. I do look forward to your questions and suggestions, so please continue to send them in to wellness@ndtvgoodtimes.com, or you can post them on the website ndtvgoodtimes.com, where Reebok Master Trainers will also be answering your questions. I quote Helen Keller, "Everything has its wonders, even darkness and silence. And I learn, whatever state I may be in, therein to be content."
BK Live, brought to you by Reebok. I am what I am.
Hey, everything is set.
I'm already here.
Relax.
Yeah, but what?
What do you suggest?
Manchow soup, prawn chili dry, ooh la 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 leo. Udon chicken, vegetable stir fry, ooh la 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 leo. Chicken